All right. Well, hi for the second time this week. So I promise that in future weeks it'll just be the one video. So I did the introduction video, and now this is the official review preview for week one. Now, since there's really nothing to review, it's all about preview, and I'll keep this one short. So for this week, the first thing that I'm asking you to do is post in the discussion board something about yourself. Share what you want. I mean, you guys are going to be, those of you in this class, probably go at different speeds throughout the program. Some of you, but I mean, you'll be together. You are a cohort, so take the opportunity to get to know one another. I think that'll help everyone be more comfortable going through the course and beyond, and also doing what I talked about in the introduction video of being able to share with each other your thoughts and your professional opinions of the work that we're all posting. So make sure you do that. And then also this week, it is a discussion board week. So that means we have an initial post on Wednesday, response posts by Friday, and then summative posts by Saturday night. And so this is really the big introduction into public health and picking a topic of interest to you and kind of getting practice and conceptualizing things and really looking at a topic and trying to narrow down its definition and how it applies. Now, application, you asked in your summative post to talk about application. That is a very critical idea of this course and of public health in general. So, public health, if you're a public health professional, that's technically a noun, but I think of it more of a verb, right? I mean, it's public health. It's about application. It's about putting the work in. It's about trying to help people and move things forward and being very active in your community, whatever the size of that, whether it be local, state, national, whichever it is. It's about action. Now, in this course, by the end of the course, your final project will involve looking at a topic of interest to you, getting background on it, prevalence, if you pick cancer of, lung cancer, looking at incidence, looking at are there groups that are disproportionately affected by it, both in terms of developing lung cancer or the severity of it or dying from it. And then ultimately at the end, you are tasked with applying some sort of program or some sort of intervention or initiative to make a positive impact on the disease of interest, the disease or whatever you are looking at for the course. So, application is where it's at. So, getting in that frame of mind of not only what's in the research, not only what you come across in terms of what other people have done or what the numbers are telling you, but how do you personally, as a public health professional, make an impact? And so it's not just about standing still, it's about application. And so circling back to this week and your summative post, that's really your first opportunity to kind of get in that frame of mind. Because so much of graduate programs in general, and I don't think it's just limited to public health, it's all sciences and probably all fields. Um, it's knowledge, it's skills, but it's also a way of thinking. And there are times when so I do research in public health and education. And so some of the people I work with are ed psychs, so educational psychology, and I come from a public health background. And we'll be talking about kind of the same thing and have the same end goal in mind, but have different ways of thinking about it because it is just a frame of mind thing. So take this opportunity on your discussion boards to really dive into public health, dive into getting yourself comfortable with a way of thinking that seeks to take a public health approach towards making the world a better place, because ultimately that's what we are here for. So yeah, looking forward to seeing what you have to post, and please contact me if you have any questions, and have a great